Looking for the perfect braid-ready hair unit to elevate your style? We're diving deep into the top 3 contenders in the braided hair system market. Get ready for a head-to-head battle to see which one truly delivers. First up, the Yanahair Afro Curl Toupee. This unit boasts real human hair, giving you an incredibly natural feel and look. It features a breathable Swiss lace base, ensuring comfort and a secure fit all day long. This system is perfect for dreadlocks, twists, and various afro braids, offering full flexibility for your desired style. It's designed for easy wear, making it a fantastic option for everyday use right out of the box. Next, we have the Hair Are Us Goddess Bulk Hair. This is a luxury human bulk hair product, renowned for its premium texture. It's an excellent choice for creating custom braiding styles, especially salon-level goddess braids. However, it's important to note that this option comes as raw hair with no base included. This means professional installation is essential, requiring either a skilled hand or a trusted stylist to achieve the perfect look. Our third contender is the Afro Twisted Braids unit. The main appeal here is its pre-styled all-in-one look, offering instant wear for a quick style transformation. It also provides impressive volume, making a bold statement. On the flip side, this unit can be quite heavy, which might impact comfort over long periods. Customization is limited, and breathability isn't its strongest suit, potentially making it less versatile than other options. So which braided hair system truly wins the crown? While the Hair Are Us Bulk is superb for custom salon work, and the Twisted Braids unit offers instant gratification, one stands out for overall performance. The Yanahair Afro Curl Toupee hits the sweet spot. It combines premium real human hair with a comfortable, breathable lace base. Its natural texture and easy braid readiness make it incredibly versatile and user-friendly. For style, comfort, and genuine hair feel, the Yanahair Afro Curl Toupee is our top pick. It brings premium quality and easy braid readiness, making it the ultimate choice for your next braided look. Yanahair Afro Curl Toupee. Its versatility allows for dreadlocks, twists, and various afro braids with ease. This unit offers both natural beauty and practical application for everyday wear. Yanahair Afro Curl Toupee. Invest in the Yanahair Afro Curl Toupee for a seamless blend of quality and convenience. Elevate your braided styles with confidence and comfort, making it your go-to choice.